Have you ever looked down at your arms and thought, wait, when did my skin start looking so thin, almost fragile, like it could tear if you touched it too hard? You can feel it, can't you? That papery texture that wasn't there years ago? You moisturize, you drink your water, you've even tried those fancy creams, but no matter what lotion you use, it just keeps getting worse. Like your skin is aging faster than the rest of you. And here's the strange part. Dermatologists now say it's not your age that's causing it. It's something your skin has quietly forgotten how to do. And when you remind it, just 3 minutes a day, the change can feel almost unreal. Because that soft, saggy texture, it can start looking firmer and tighter again, even in spots most people gave up on. Scientists now understand something remarkable about aging skin. It turns out the biggest reason your skin loses its firmness isn't dryness. It's that your body stops sending the right repair signals, the ones that tell it to make new collagen and elastin. Think of a house that hasn't been repaired in decades. The walls still stand, but the support beams weaken over time. That's what happens under your skin, quietly, slowly, year after year. But here's the thing. Scientists recently found a way to flip that process right back on. Sounds crazy, right? Just wait till you hear how simple it is. And what they discovered shocked even the experts, because it didn't involve surgery, injections, or any expensive new product at all. Researchers found that when you stimulate your skin in a specific way for just 3 minutes a day, you can reactivate your body's natural rebuilding process. No needles, no chemicals, just your hands, and a tiny daily ritual. You might be thinking, 3 minutes? Really? But once you understand it, it starts to make perfect sense. It starts with warmth. Before you apply anything, dip your hands in warm water and press them against your arms or neck. Feel that gentle heat opening up your circulation. Then, using your fingertips, massage in upward, circular motions for about 90 seconds. Not hard pressure, just soft, loving movement. Think of it like teaching your skin to breathe again. Next, take a small amount of any simple moisturizer, even plain aloe or coconut oil, and repeat that same motion for another 90 seconds. This not only hydrates the surface, it helps the lower layers respond and pull tighter over time. And the best part? You don't even have to change your routine. Just add this tiny habit right after your shower. Most people start noticing changes in just a week. Not magic, not a miracle, just biology. Finally reactivated. Your skin is full of tiny sensors that respond to motion, warmth, and touch. When you stop stimulating them, they go silent, and collagen production slows to a crawl. But when you start again, even briefly each day, your body releases growth factors, the same ones it used in your 20s and 30s. And slowly, that thin, wrinkled layer starts to feel alive again. It's like flipping a forgotten switch back on. That's why this 3-minute fix feels different. It doesn't cover up crepey skin. It teaches your skin to rebuild itself again. So if you've ever stood in front of the mirror and whispered, "My skin will never look firm again," remember, it's not gone. It's just been asleep. Because aging shouldn't mean losing the confidence to wear short sleeves or feel comfortable in your own skin. 3 minutes a day is all it takes to start waking it back up. No fancy gadgets, no overpriced jars. Just you, your hands, and a little consistency. And when that smooth, confident glow comes back, you'll realize something beautiful. Your skin never forgot how to heal. It just needed a gentle reminder. If this gave you hope, give the video a like, share it with someone who needs it, and remember, small daily habits can change everything. And in my next video, I'll show you one hidden nutrient that makes this process even faster.